Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria Montefusco and I'm a lover of all things when it comes to beauty and makeup, and today I'm going to be showing you all the little haul that I got from Lisa Eldridge. So I ended up getting 2 lipsticks, 2 glosses, and also a liquid blush. I did not end up getting her highlighter product, but I thought it'd be good to show you all what the blush looks like on my skin in real time, and also do a lippy try on as well. So if you are interested in hearing my thoughts about these products, because I have tried them, and also interested in seeing how they look like on me, please keep on watching. So I thought I would start with the blush. So I have the Lisa Eldridge Enlivening blush in the shade Pink Soap. So it's just a light pink color. It's really beautiful. I'll show you what it looks like on my hand, on my cheeks obviously, but I have used this once already. I do think it's a really great product. It's a little bit of a different texture than I was expecting. So let me show you what it looks like when you squeeze it out. So it just has this little squeezy tube applicator, and you squeeze it out. You'll need the tiniest bit. It's a little bit hard to squeeze out. And then it's kind of hard. See that? Like, it's not like a liquid blush. Like, I have the Glossier Cloud Paints. I thought it would be like that, but this one is a bit on the harder side. It's kind of interesting. So normally what I do is I just get it on the back of my hand, I tap it in, it becomes a little bit more liquidy, and I just tap it on my cheeks, and then I'll blend it out with my beauty sponge. You don't need very much at all to get a nice flush on your face. So there it is, tapped out on my cheeks. I'm gonna blend it out, and it's just the most pretty pink natural flush. I absolutely love how this looks on my skin. It's a natural finish, not matte, not metallic or shimmery. Just really flattering and pretty. All right, so that is what the blush looks like on my cheeks. I have worn this blush once or twice now, I believe, for a full day. The color lasts very nicely throughout the day. I don't see any patchiness. It layers very well on top of my other products, and other cream products like cream highlighters also do layer really nicely on top of this as well. So I do really like this product. I think it's really nice. The one criticism I have is the packaging. Because of the thickness of the product, it's a little bit hard to squeeze it out. You have to like kind of press on there and really get it onto your hand. But it's a very small nitpicky criticism. I just think it's really beautiful, really easy to blend, nice amount of pigment. You can build it up if you want to, but I prefer something a little bit more subtle. But it's just a beautiful shade, a beautiful color. If she comes out with more of these in the future, or restocks some of the colors that she came out with recently, I'll probably buy more of these during her next drop, because it is just a beautiful blush. And as you all know, I love my cream cheek products. So I did not get her highlighter just because I feel like the product description and the packaging and just all of that really reminded me of the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. And then I also have another product that's similar to the Hollywood Flawless Filter, which is the Auric Glow Lust. So I was like, you know what? I have 2 products that kind of already do this similar, same-ish thing that that one does. I'm not gonna get that one. So I did not end up getting the highlighter, but I do have this Becca highlighter. It's a liquid highlighter that I am going to apply on my cheeks, and this is not a part of the review. I'm just letting you know I do not have the Lisa product, but it did look really nice. I just decided that I didn't need it in my collection, so I ended up saving some money there. But it does seem like it has good reviews, so if that's something you're interested in and it's still in stock, that might be something you want to grab. It was just a little too redundant for my collection. Also, sorry if I sound all stuffed up. I have like a cold or allergies or something. It's been affecting me a lot, and I sound a little bit stuffed up. I've been taking a lot of like decongestants and nasal spray and stuff like that, and that's been helping. But yeah, I am pretty stuffed up right now, so if I sound a little bit weird, that's why. So now I want to try on the lip products that I got. So I want to show you what they all look like. I have worn 3 out of 4 of these for like a whole day, so I have reviews on them. One of them I have not worn yet, but I think I'm going to wear that one today. So let's get started with the lipsticks that I picked up. So I got 2 of the, I think they're called the Luxuriously Lucid lipsticks. I have the shade Spirited Away and also Kitten Mischief. So let's start with Kitten Mischief. I have used this bullet already, so this is what the shade looks like. And it has that little Lisa Eldridge imprint on the front. I'm not sure if you can see that. I love that. And so the Luxuriously Lucid lipsticks, this more like satin formula, this moisturizing formula, these are very buildable. You put on a layer, it's sheer, but you can build it up. Her matte lipsticks, which I got in the past, those are very much like you put them on, bam, full pigment. So these are a little bit different. I'll show you one layer and then like multiple layers. So this is one layer of Kitten Mischief, just a sheer wash of color a little bit, but now I'm gonna build it up and you're gonna see what it looks like. And that is Kitten Mischief built up. I love this shade. I've worn the shade once already all day. It's beautiful for the kind of formula that it is, which is a hydrating formula. It does last nicely on the lips. Very moisturizing, not drying at all. It's just a really nice bullet lipstick formula and I cannot really complain here at all. And the shade is absolutely stunning on my skin tone. At least that's my opinion. So this is Kitten Mischief, 2 layers, and I think it's really pretty. So next up we have Spirited Away. It looks a little bit intimidating in the tube. So it's this like dark reddish pinkish kind of color. It's like a dark mauve and it looks intimidating, but 1 layer, not intimidating at all, as you'll see. So this is 1 layer of Spirited Away. I don't remember if Lisa in her release video was talking about this shade or another shade that I can't quite remember the name of, but she did say like either this shade or that other shade. It looks like you're in the winter time, you're outside and you've like just bitten your lip and like bring color to your lip. That's what 1 layer of this lipstick reminds me of. It's just a really pretty natural looking color. It looks like you just bit your lip a little bit and then all the blood rushes to your lip and that's the color that it gives you. So it's a little bit more dramatic than Kitten Mischief, but 1 layer is still plenty wearable and it's not a dramatic lip by any means. So 1 layer, and now I'm going to put on the 2nd layer of Spirited Away. So there's the 2nd layer, and as you can see, it's a little bit darker, a little bit more intense, and just more of that like dark purpley reddy mauve kind of shade. So I love this color, lip color. I think it's really pretty. I think the way I'll wear it in like the spring and the summertime is like 1 layer, and the way I'll probably wear it in the fall and the winter is this 2-layer look. I just feel like this is more my vibe in the colder months, but I love this shade. It's super pretty and I feel really gorgeous in this lip color. So love Spirited Away as well. And Spirited Away did leave a little bit of a stain on my lips, just letting you know. Nothing too severe, just a bit, just a little bit. So next I'm going to go into the glosses. So I have 2 glosses that I've got, and this is the Songbird gloss. So it's in the shade Songbird, just a really pretty nude. I wore this last night when I went out with my friends and it is great. Very moisturizing. I love her gloss formula. So here's what Songbird looks like on my lips. It's just a very beautiful, natural, slightly pinky nude kind of shade. I do not have any lip glosses that are this shade. I feel like it's really unique and really pretty. I have tried Lisa's glosses before with her last launch in the winter time. I love them, so I knew like, ooh, new shades. I wanted to pick some up. So I love this shade. I feel like it's super pretty and it goes with like every eye look and like outfit that you could possibly think of. I just feel like this is a really pretty gloss for me to wear with whatever I want. So Songbird, beautiful gloss, love it. And last but not least, we have this gloss in the shade Go Lightly. I don't believe this is a new shade. I think this is a restock, but considering just like how popular this shade is, everybody seems to love Go Lightly. I was like, well, I've got to try it. So this is the one shade I have not tried. So this is going to be a first impression of the Go Lightly gloss. And this is just like a peachy pinky coral. Ooh. And so this is the shade Go Lightly on my lips. This is the color I'm going to wear today. What a beautiful color for spring and summer. It has a little bit of pop of color, a little bit of something interesting, but it's not so much that it's like, oh my God, your lips are so bright. Oh my goodness. So I think this is a beautiful shade. It goes really nicely with this eye look. I was kind of worried that it would look weird with the blue and the blues and the grays on my eyes, but I actually think it looks really pretty. So this is a great shade. I really like how it looks, and I'm gonna wear this throughout the day today, and I'm actually gonna be going to dinner with a friend tonight, so we'll see how it lasts through all that. But considering I love all of the other glosses I've tried from Lisa Eldridge, I now have 4 of her glosses. I'm sure I'm gonna love this as well. So that is it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions about any of these products that I tried today and reviewed for you all today, please let me know down in the comments down below. And with that, if you like this video, please like the video. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm. If you like me, please subscribe. I post 3 times a week. Would love to have you all here. And with that, thank you for spending a little part of your day with me, and I will see you all next time. Bye.